In Module 6, we will be going over how to add and open Native 1 and 2. So if you look here on the top, these icons here are for Native 1 and these ones are for Native 2. If you wanted to put a new entry in, you can hit the white paper icon and this blank dialog box comes up. You can also go to File, hit Open, and a blank dialog box comes up here too. Another way that I like that's pretty quick is just right click on the screen and go to Primary Data Edit. But that will actually load whoever is already in this position, and so you don't want to start putting a new one over this because it will get rid of Marilyn's information. You want to hit New Chart and then you can start a new one. I've went over the File menu, this icon, and then right clicking. For editing, this paper icon here with the lines on it, that's for editing. If you click this, so Agatha Christie comes up and all of her information is pre-populated here. And if you made a mistake and wanted to change the year, like say if it was 1891 and you got it wrong, you can change it to 1891 and hit Save Chart, and it will give you a prompt saying one is already saved, so you can overwrite it. And that will update her entry. And so that is how you edit. Of course, you can open one up from here too and start editing it. And I think that just about covers how to add a new one. The right click kind of is off. So yeah, I think I've went over everything just as far as adding and opening them up, so I can go on to an example of how to add one and go through the atlas step 2 because I think that is important. Okay, I'll see you in the next exercise.